Important events in my life. My name is Mónica Moreno Cruz. Universidad Manuela Beltrán, Mónica Moreno Cruz, Inglés Básico 2. Important events in my life. Your favorite vacation. Your favorite moment at school. A childhood memory. Where did you go? I was in Bucaramanga. When was that vacation? The holidays were at the end of the year 2018. Who did you go with? I went with my husband and my sister. Why was that situation important in your life? Because all of my family visited me on my special day. Who were you with? I was with my family. How old were you in that moment? When I was 4 years old. Who were you with? I was with my classmate and teacher. When did that event happen? When I started my kinder. Where were you? I was in my classroom.